You all can hear me. No? Okay, Pudde. Today we are going to move to a new lesson. It is the fifth lesson of your textbook, Algebraic Expressions. Okay, algebraic expression. When it comes to the algebraic expressions, what is meant by an expression? First of all, expression means the something that is expressed. Okay? ඒ කියන්නේ මොන හරි දෙයක් එක්ස්ප්‍රස් කරනවා. එහෙම නැත්නම් අපි කියනවා ප්‍රකාශ කරනවා කියලා. ඒකට අපි කියනවා expression එකක්. Then what is meant by an algebraic expression? Algebraic expression එකක් කියන්නේ. It is a particular expression, that means something that express using unknown terms. That means algebraic terms. We know what are the algebraic terms, the terms that we use to denote the unknown values. You may, in our O-level syllabus, that means from grade 6 to now 11, we consider the English letters, that means alphabet or simple English letters as algebraic terms. Okay, algebraic terms විදිහට අපි consider කරන්නේ මේ O-level syllabus එක ඇතුලේ only simple letters in English alphabet. Okay, then algebraic expressions are expressions which consist of algebraic terms. They do not consist of only algebraic terms, but also numbers. Okay. Then mainly we consider the expressions. That means you can see here, if we consider the expression, look at here. For an example, 2 is added to 3. Okay. Then you can obtain an answer as 5. But the problem is, here I am not discuss about the answer. I discuss about the expression. This express what? This express a sum of 2 numbers. Okay, so for this expression, we can say that it is a sum of 2 numbers. This is the sum of 2 numbers. Okay, and if we consider another one, a plus 1, it is a sum of an algebraic term and a number. So generally we can say that it is a sum. Okay, it is a sum. So we can call this as sum of a number and an algebraic term. Okay, then x plus y. This is also a sum. Okay, we can call this is sum of 2 algebraic terms. Okay, it is a sum. We can write, if we don't know, you may think, I have a particular amount of money with me, and my friend has another amount of money with her. Then I want to know what is the sum of the 2 amount that both of us have. Okay, then if I consider the amount with me as x and amount with her as y, then I can express it as it is x plus y. මගේ යාළුවා ගාව y rupees තියෙනවා මං ගාව x rupees තියෙනවා. එතකොට අපි දෙන්න ගාව තියෙන සල්ලි වල එකතුව අපිට පුළුවන් එකතුවක් විදිහට කියන්න කොහොමද x plus y. X added to y. Okay, it is sum of two unknown terms. Now when we consider this express particular thing. Okay, yeah, express karna. What we express by this? It is the sum. No, this is also a sum of an unknown term and a number. This is sum of two unknown terms. We can call algebraic terms instead of unknown terms. Then these are called the expressions. මේවට තමයි අපි කියන්නේ expression because they express something. Okay, then under this main topic, write down the subtopic as sum. එකතුව. Then after write these examples. Okay, Putte, are you finished with the writing? Very good. If you finish with this, next topic is difference. Difference. Okay. Then what is mean by difference? That means if we express, there is a subtraction between two numbers. 2 is subtracted by 7. Then it is called difference of this. This is called difference of two numbers. Now here what is difference mean? It is the name of this expression. මේ expression එක නැත්නම් මේ express කරන දේ නම තමයි difference කියන්නේ. Otherwise, it is not to subtract. It says subtract, okay? But I mean that when I want to express that it is a particular subtraction between two numbers, then I can say that it is difference between or difference of two numbers, okay? Then here I can write it as n subtract 2. It is also can be called as difference of the number and an algebraic term. Here, difference of two algebraic terms. Difference means the name given for this expression, okay? What is expressed by this? Right. Okay, Pute, are you finished? I think it's fine method. The next one is, it is product. Okay, product. This is the special one. Okay. Um, so before product, let's write about an expression. Okay. Write down. Put a star mark and write uh, sum of difference of algebraic terms and number is called is called is called an algebraic expression. Is called an algebraic expression. Okay, then after, let's move to the product. Okay, it is also very important. Finish the or screenshot Okay, then next one is product. Let's learn about the product. What is meant by product? That means product is the expression which expresses the multiplication between two or more than two numbers or an algebraic terms. Okay, look at here. If it is 2 into 3, we know it is 6. But we can call this is what? It is product of two numbers. Numbers දෙක product එක කියලා කියන්න පුළුවන්. If it is 2 into a, 2 into a is equals to 2 into a. If we need, we can expand like this, because now when there is a product or when there is a multiplication in between an algebraic term and a number, then we can separate them. Okay. So this is called the product of a number and an algebraic term. Okay. Then when it comes to this is also considered as an algebraic term. Or this is also a product. This is which expresses the multiplication between a number and the algebraic term. Here the number is given a special name called coefficient. Okay, this number is given a particular special name called coefficient. Okay. Then after, if we take two, 3xy. This is 3 into x into y. It is express product of number and algebraic terms. And also, if we try to multiply m into 2 into n. Now, this can be written as you have to take the 2 in front of these two because you have to give the priority for the number. Then 2 into m into n. M into n. This is also we called as a product of two algebraic terms and a number. Okay, these are very important. Here, these all are a term and a number. Number එකක් සහ algebraic term එකක්. Okay. Then after, when it comes to the product, we can see that when there is a multiplication in between two numbers, we can obtain a particular answer. 2 into 3 is 6. If it is multiplication between a number and an algebraic term, then we can remove the multiplication and write them together. Okay. Likewise, when there is a product between two expressions, there is a particular way to obtain this answer. Okay, I will explain later. Please write down this first. Okay, finished now? Ivarai neda? Then let's move to the, let's consider this as a subtopic actually. Now here why I discuss about the sum and the product, because all these are very important in this lesson. Okay, then let's move to the next subtopic. It is product of two algebraic expressions. Here we are going to consider special algebraic expression. It is called binomial expression. Okay. What is mean by binomial expression? It is also something that we already know, binomial expressions. When there are only two terms, okay? When there are only, or we can call it like this, okay? A sum or difference. The sum or difference between two terms. Okay, these terms mean not only algebraic terms, but also numbers. Okay, is called the binomial expression. The special thing is two terms. Okay, binomial expression. Then for an example, if we consider x plus 1. There are only two terms, no? The sum between only two terms. A plus b. There are only two terms. Y subtract 2. X squared plus 1. There are only two terms. Always, if there are only two terms, those kind of expressions are called binomial expression. There should be a sum or a difference between them. Okay, then x minus y, that means x abstraction y. M squared subtraction n squared. Okay, all these are called binomial expressions. Please write down this one. expressions. Okay. Next subtopic is product of two binomial expressions. When we discuss about the product of two binomial expressions, you should be able to multiply different directed numbers correctly. Okay, let's see. This is just a refresh. Okay. Under the not කියලා පොඩි යට ලියලා ඒ අර්ථය මේ විදිහට no. Under the note, write down when you have to multiply plus value by plus value, then answer is plus. When you have to multiply minus value by minus value, answer is plus. When you have to multiply plus value by minus value, answer is minus. When you have to multiply minus value by plus value, answer is minus. Okay, you have to remember this one. In the directed numbers lesson grade 8, you should have done this one. Plus value multiply plus value, answer is plus. Minus value multiplied by minus value, answer is plus. Plus value multiplied by minus value, answer is minus. And minus value multiplied by plus value, answer is minus. Okay. 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 Then after, let's move to the product. Okay. You may think that this is my first example. X is added to 1. That means x plus 1. Here, x plus 2. Okay. You have to expand. Okay. You are given to expand this. Expand කරන්න කියලා දෙන්න. හරි. Then what you have to do is you have to always multiply first term by first term. It's like this way. First term multiplied by first term. Then first term multiplied by second term. Next, second term first term, second term second. Okay. Then the answer you will get is x into x. When we multiply like terms, then we obtain power terms. It is x square. Okay. X into x square. X into 2, it is 2x. 1 into x, it is x, and 1 into 2, it is 2. Okay. Then you can see there are two numbers in the middle of this expression that we can simplify further. They are x squared added 3x add 2. Then x squared plus 3x plus 2 is the answer. Is this clear? මේක පැහැදිලිද? Please raise your hand if you have the Western Province paper book with you. I ask you to buy a Western Province paper book. If you have it, please raise hand. Okay, the Western Province paper book is this one. You all should have this. Okay, මේ තමයි Western Province paper book එක. මේක ඔයගොල්ලෝ අතේ තියෙන්න. Because I do some questions from this book, and also you should be able to do a unit wise revision using Western Province paper book. Okay, දැන් හැමෝම ගාව මේ පොත තියෙන්න ඕනේ. Then let's go to the second example. Have you finished with the writing? Time is enough, no? The second example is given like this. Example 2. Here it is given expand. Actually, in the previous case also I should have written expand, and it should be simplified. Not only the expand, expand and simplify. දිගහැර සුළු කරන්න. Okay, let's see. It is x plus 3 times x minus 5. Okay, x minus 5. This is the question. X plus 3, x minus 5. This is the question. Then how we do? We have to multiply first term by first term. Then first term by second term by first term, second term by second term. Look at x into x. X watamu x. It is x squared. X into minus 5. X into minus 5. Then is it x minus 5 like this? No. I mention you that when you have to multiply a particular algebraic term and a number, we have to give the priority for the number. Then it is minus 5 of first value by minus value. Then minus 5 times 6. It is minus 5 times 6. Then 3 into x. 3 into x, it is 3x. 3 into minus 5. 3 into minus 5, it is minus 15. 3 into x doesn't matter. 3x. 3 into x means 3x. Okay. So now look at when you have to simplify, here it is different sign numbers addition. Minus 5x and 3x. When you have such occasion, what you have to do is, it is different sign and, okay, here it is minus sign and plus sign. That means different sign. You have to subtract small value by large value. Then answer is 2. Okay. Then it is minus 2. Minus 2x. Okay, minus 2x. How it happens? You have to subtract its large number by small number. Sorry, it's a small number by large number. It is 2. Then you have to give the sign of the large number. It is minus 2. Okay. Then minus 50. This is the answer. Okay, then after, let's go to another example. It is example 3. Expand and simplify. It is x minus 7 times, sorry, x minus 3 times x plus 7. Okay, try to do this one. Okay, have you finished your other? Okay, let's see. It is x minus 3 into x plus 7. Okay, okay. Then first term by first term by second term by first term, second term by second term. Okay, then x into x, it is x square. X into 7. X into 7. Then you have to give the priority for the number. 7 x. Minus 3 into x. It is minus 3x. Minus 3 into 7. Minus 3 into 7. Negative number by positive number. Then it is negative 21. Now x square 7 minus 3x. That means answer is 4x. Subtract 20. Have you got this answer? If so, please raise your hand. මේ answer ගත්තා බලන්න. raise hand කරන්න. Okay, very good. Then look at another question. Example 4. X minus 2 into x minus 1. Okay. Okay, have you finished your other? What is the answer? It's x minus 2 into x minus 5. Okay. Then first into first, first into second, second into first, second into second. X into x, it's x square. X into minus 5, it is minus 5x. Minus 2 into x, it's minus 2x. Minus 2 into minus 5, it's plus 10. Then x is squared minus 5x minus 2x, it is minus 7x. Add 10. Because when we have same sign numbers, we add them and include the sign of the numbers that we add. Okay. This is how we obtain the product of two binomial expressions. Okay. Binomial expressions are the expressions which consist of only two terms. Okay. Then we are going to move to the next part of the lesson. It is about the applications of this. Okay, look at write down topic. Solving problems related to product of binomial expression. Okay. Okay, Pute, please write down the eighth question of the screen or the screen. Please write down the eighth question here. Please write down the 8th question in the screen. Okay, Pute. You have finished with this writing. I will explain the question, okay? What they have mentioned in the question. Please read the question from the beginning. හොඳට බලන්න question එකේ මොකද්ද කියලා තියෙන්නේ කියලා. It is given that the length and breadth of a rectangular piece of decorative paper are 15 centimeter and 8 centimeters respectively. Okay, then it is better to draw a diagram and mention these measurements. Okay, draw a rectangular shape and indicate this. It is given that length is 15 centimeters. Length එක තියෙද්දි it is 15 centimeters. Breadth is 8 centimeters. Okay, breadth එක 8 centimeters. Then this is what they have mentioned in the first sentence. පළවෙනි sentence එකේ යා mention කරලා තියෙන්නේ මේක. හරිද? Then two strips of bread x centimeter each are cut off from length and breadth of this paper. Two strips of x centimeter each. එකක් x centimeter වෙන strips දෙකක්, ඒ කියන්නේ පොඩි පටි කැරි දෙකක්, breadth එක x centimeters. හරිද? වෙන විදිහට length එකෙන් කපලා ඉවත් කරලා තියෙනවා. හරිද? මේ තියෙන්නේ length එකනේ. This is the length. Then from the length portion they have removed x length portion. Then after from the breadth also they have removed same size strip. It is also equal to breadth in x. Breadth එක x වලට equal. Using the figure, obtain an expression for the area of the remaining portion. Then first of all, you have to identify. ඉස්සෙල්ලාම ඔයගොල්ලෝ identify කරන්න ඕනේ මොකක්ද? You should be able to identify what is the new length and breadth of the remaining portion. What is the length? How we obtain the answer for the length? Look at it was 15 centimeters. ඒක 15 centimeters තිබුණේ. Then you may think it was 2 centimeters removed. Then it becomes 12 centimeters. Oh, sorry, 13 centimeters. දෙකක් අයින් කර 13 centimeters. But here now it has removed x centimeters. That means x should be subtracted by 15. That means unknown amount is subtracted by 50. Then breadth. If so, can you tell me what is the answer for the breadth? That is, what is the new length for the breadth? Yes? Can any of you give your answer to the chat box? Can you chat box එකට එවන්න ඔයාලගේ answer? Yes? What is it? It was length was 15 centimeters. X was removed. Then x should be subtracted by 15. Their breadth was 8 centimeters and x has been cut off. Then what is the new breadth? ඕක කියන්න ඔයගොල්ලෝ බොරුවට කඩමු. ඉක්කො chat box එකට හරි යවන්න. Yes, what is it? Breadth is 8. Now x is removed from breadth. Then if x is removed from 15, it was 15 subtract x. Then if x is removed from 8, what is it? Yes? Tell me. Yes, Hania, what is it? Actually, it is better to mention that whether you understand or not. If you didn't understand, it is better to mention that no teacher, I didn't understand this. Or if you understand and if you can have obtained any answer, please mention your answer. Otherwise, it is very difficult to explain this. මම දන්නේ නැහැ නේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේක තේරුම් අරන්ද නැද්ද කියලා. Yes. Others? Okay, here I will explain it again. You may think there was a rectangle. Rectangle එකක් තියෙනවා. The length is 15 centimeters. Then I cut off 2 centimeters from this side. Then what is the new length of this portion? මෙයාගේ new length එක මොකක්ද කියන්න බලන්න. New length of the remaining one. What is it? When 2 centimeters removed? Huh? When you remove 2 centimeters from 15 centimeters, what is the new one? It is 13 centimeters. Okay. You can obtain this answer is because you know that this value is 2. How you obtain 13? It is by subtracting 32 by 15. No? Now in this case, do you know this value? Or no, you don't know this value. Then what you have to do? You have to subtract x by 15 because to obtain the new length, you have to do a subtraction. Likewise, you may think, here I remove 3 centimeters from the breadth. It was 8 centimeters in breadth, initially. Then what is the new length? If I remove 3 centimeters from breadth, what is the new one? If I remove 3 centimeters from the breadth, what is the new value? New value for the breadth. How we obtain that answer? Yes, it is 5 centimeters. You have to subtract 3 by 8. අටෙන් 3ක් අඩු කරන්නයි ඕනේ. Then here we don't know the value of x. An unknown value is removed from the left side. It is x. Then how we write the answer? Yes. For the new breadth. If we subtract x by, that means if we subtract or if we remove x length 1 from the 15, then it was 15 subtract x. If I remove x length from 8, then what is the answer for the new length? Yes, it should be 8 subtract x. Okay. Now we have to find the area of the new or the remaining portion. Remaining portion is this one. You have to find the area of this. How we find the area of a rectangle? Can you tell me? What is the equation to find the area of a rectangle? Yes? And then how we find the area? Don't you know? If you don't know the how to find the area of a rectangle, please raise your hand. If you know, please send me the answer. We obtain the answer like this. Yes? How we obtain the answer? දැන් ඔයාලා දන්නේ නැහැ කියලා කියන්නේ නැහැනේ. ඒ කියන්නේ දන්නවනේ. දන්නේ නැහැ. Hania? Okay. The how to find the area of a rectangle? Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth. Okay. Length is equal to 15 subtract x. Breadth is equal to 8 subtract x. Okay. Then how we find the answer? 15 into x. Sorry, 15 into 8. 15 into 8. Because first by first. 15 multiplied by 8. 8 into 5, it is 40. 4 remaining. 8 into 1, 8 plus 4, it is 12. Then answer is 120. Okay. Then 15 into x. Answer is minus 15x. Then after minus x into 8, it was minus 8x. Then minus x into minus x. Answer is plus x square. Then 120. Here we have to add because this is consist of same sign numbers. Then you have to add these two. Then answer is 23x plus x square. This is the area of the rectangle or the area of the remaining portion. Area of rectangle is given by this one. So we can write area of remaining portion. Area of remaining portion is equals to Okay, if you have finished with this, please write the ninth question in this spread. Okay, Putri, the time is enough. Look at what they have given. A rectangular flower bed of length x meters and breadth 2 meters is shown in the figure. Yes, 2 meters are reduced from length. 2 meters are reduced from length. It can be from this side or this side, doesn't matter. Anyway, it should be from the length. Okay, length can be the length. 2 meters. Actually, if it is 2 meters, it should be equals to this one. Maybe it is removed like this. 2 meters from the length side. That means this portion is removed. 2 meters is removed. 2 meters are removed. Like this. Okay. 2 meters are reduced from its length and x meters are added to the breadth. The breadth is this side. Then x meters are added. X meters are added. That means this one. Actually, it should be not from this one. Okay. Then x meters are added. Now, can you tell me what is the new length and new breadth? Length and breadth. Length. When it comes to length, 2 meters reduced from the x meters. Then what should be the length? Yes. Can any of you tell me the length of the new or the remaining one? For the newly formed rectangle length it was x and 2 was reduced. Then what is the length?
X minus 2.
X. 2 meters were reduced. Then what is it? New length?
X minus 2.
X minus 2. Very good. It should be x minus 2. Okay. Breadth. It was 2 meters and x meters was added. Then what is the new breadth?
X plus 2.
Yes, x plus 2 or 2 plus x. I will write x plus 2. Okay, doesn't matter. 2 plus x x plus 2 may x minus 2 x plus 2. Okay, then construct an expression in terms of x for the area of the new flower bed using a figure. Okay, then what is the area of newly formed flower bed? It is also equal to length into breadth. Length is x minus 2. Breadth is x plus 2. Okay. Then this is the expression for the new flower bed. Then you can obtain or you can expand this x minus 2 into x plus 2. X into x, it is x squared. X into 2, it is 2x. Minus 2 into x, it is minus 2x. Minus 2 into 2, it is minus 4. When you have that plus value with the same minus value, again, 2x, 2x have a plus and minus. That means answer is 0. Okay. Plus 2 minus 2 means 2 subtract 2, it is 0. Then here no need to write 0. X squared minus 4. Then area is equals to x squared minus 4. Did you understand this one? Actually, this is one question in your term test. Definitely, there will be a one question based on product of binomial expressions, then it should be solved like this. Okay, write down another question. What's the third? Have you finished the writing? If so, please raise your hand. Here, ඉවර නම් raise hand කරන්න බලන්න. Hania, finished? Okay, then if you have finished the writing, try to find an answer because now I have discussed two questions. Then here, read the question. Figure shows the square-shaped flower bed with length of a side x. Side, ඒ කියන්නේ side එකක length එක x වෙන square එකක් පෙන්වලා තියෙනවලු රූප සටහනේ නේද? The length of a side is x. Then after, they have given two questions based on this given figure. A new flower bed is made by increasing the length by 3 meters. Then the length is this side. Then the main side length, it is increased by 3 meters. Then that means it is expanded to this side. Then this is equal to 3 meters. And reducing the breadth by 2 meters. Breadth is this side, so it is reduced from this. This portion is removed. It was x and this was 2. 2 meters. This is 3 meters. Okay. එක meters දාගත්තොත් ටිකක් ඔයාලට පැටලෙන හින්දා meters දාන්න නැතුව ඔහොම තිබ්බත් කමක් නැහැ. Then draw the sketch of the new flower bed and write length and breadth in terms of x. In terms of x means you have to write the length and breadth using x. Okay. Then what is the sketch of the new flower bed? Tell me. It is length like this. Then what is the length? You have to mention the length. Length was increased by 3 meters. Then what is the new length? Can yes, now you know. When length was 6 meters, it has been increased by 3 meters. Then what is the new length? Newly formed flower bed? Yes, it is x added 3. That means x plus 3. Okay. Then what is the breadth? It was x meters and 2 meters was reduced. If so, what is the new breadth? Yes, it is x subtract 2 or x minus 2. It was x. එක කලින් තිබුණේ x විදිහට. දැන් දෙකක් අඩු වුණා. එහෙනම් x subtract 2. It's not 2 subtract x because in the previous it was x. Now it is 2 has been reduced. Therefore, new one is x subtract 2. Okay? තේරුම් ගන්න ප්‍රශ්න වලට උත්තර ලියන්න. First of all, understand what's going on. Then after write the answer. Then the length of new flower bed is x minus 2. Breadth. Breadth is equals to x added 3. Then write an expression for the area of new flower bed. Then area is equals to length into breadth. Okay, obtain the answer. It should be length is x minus 2, breadth is x plus 3. Then you are asked to write an expression. Then this is the expression for the area of new flower bed and simplify it. You have to simplify. Then how we simplify? You have to multiply first term by first term, first term by second term by first term, second term by last term. Then x into x square. X into 3 is 3x. Minus 2 into x, minus 2x. Minus 2 into 3, minus 6. Then x is squared. Here, 2x is subtract by 3. It is x subtract 6. Then this is the answer for the area of the new flower bed. Okay. Please raise your hand those who have any doubt relevant to this. මේ සම්බන්ධ මොන හරි ගැටලු තියෙනවා නම් raise hand කරන්න බලන්න. Teacher, there is a doubt here. Please explain it again. No, any questions here? Are you sure? Check with your answer also. ඔයාලා බලන්න answer එක හොඳට. No, any question? Okay. Then you will have this kind of question in the first term. Okay, definitely there will be a question based on the product of two binomial expressions. So you should be able to obtain the answer for this. Okay. I will discuss another question related to this later. Okay. Then by next week I will start the substitution part. Okay, with the substitution part, I will discuss this kind of two or more questions. Okay, then is there anything to ask? මොනහරි ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවද අහගන්න? No. Okay, then thank you for your participation. Goodbye. God bless you. Good night all.